I'm Adrian, the Cruise and Travel Guide. Join me on board Regent Seven Seas Explorer for a tour of a Serenity Suite. Welcome to the second worst suite on board Seven Seas Explorer. The entranceway is wide and bright and leads you straight through to the main living space and bedroom. I really enjoy that the bed faces the balcony. Seven Seas Explorer exudes a warmth and elegance, and that is definitely apparent in the finishes used in this suite. 2 USB-A slots and a European outlet are accessible on both sides of the bed. An additional North American and European outlet is available on one side of the bed, and a single North American outlet on the other. As you can probably imagine, everything feels very high quality, including the touchscreen thermostat for the air conditioning system. Individually operated reading lamps and lights are on either side of the bed. And now panning across towards the living room space, special shout out to my viewer Carla, who did tell me that the carpeting looks like a barcode, and I really can't unsee it. There is so much storage in this suite that traveling for any length of time, you should really be completely fine for unpacking. There are also European style outlets on the vanity. Boarding day sees a bottle of champagne left on ice for your enjoyment. If you'd like to know the story about this espresso martini setup, you can watch my Seven Seas Explorer cruise review, linked in the description below. Each passenger is provided with a bottle that can be used at refill stations across the ship. These are not insulated though and don't maintain temperature. The fridge kept things nice and cool, and this was the setup that was there when we arrived, but the room stewards are more than happy to stock it with anything you want. Again, there is more storage and drawers basically everywhere. The TV system is great, offering on-demand programming, including movies at no cost, and I really enjoyed the way that it swings out, although I would suggest the person not sleeping on the corridor side of the bed watches themselves when they get up in the middle of the night if the TV has been left open. Even though this is one of the smaller balconies on a Seven Seas Explorer, it's still really quite spacious. The seat cushions are even stored inside of an evening when the cabin is turned down, and then placed outside again every morning. We'll now head into the very spacious walk-in wardrobe. This can be sectioned off with a sliding door. The super spacious wardrobe is fantastic, once again allowing you to unpack everything that you've brought with no issues. Robes are available for use on board, and of course there are some slippers. There were plenty of hangers for us, but more can be supplied as needed. The safe was large, capable, I'm sure, of handling a smaller laptop. And again, there is plenty of drawer space. A sewing kit, shoe horn and shoe polish are also available. In addition, this is where you'll find your laundry valet bags. This is because Regent Seven Seas offers included laundry for all guests sailing on its ships, a perk we definitely took advantage of during our 2-week cruise. The bathroom is truly incredible. It's one of those spaces that definitely lets you know that you are staying within a luxury suite. There are in fact 2 showers. I'll show you the second one in a moment. The first one appears over this bath. Continuing the theme throughout the room, there is so much storage. You really will not be short of it in this cabin or suite. The dual basin and vanity is a great setup for 2 people traveling together, and you can see right here just how many drawers there are available for you to use, including even a lighted shelf. L'Occitane branded amenities are restocked as needed throughout your cruise. Continuing further into the bathroom, you'll see the freestanding shower. The rainfall shower head is a personal favorite, absolutely love that. There's also a telephone shower head for those that prefer that. The sliding glass door does a great job of keeping the room dry. For those of you interested, in my opinion, the lighting in the bathroom was also exceptional. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this suite. It is an incredible space. There has been clearly a lot of attention to detail given to many of the aspects of this room. If you're looking at booking a cruise on this ship or any other in the world, you can head to my website, thecruiseandtravelguy.com.au. And as always, thank you so much for giving this video a watch. I'll see you soon.